Oh, look at the engine.
Yeah, I know.
Want to try it again?
Yeah, go one more. Have a look at it coming out of the breather.
Oh, my poor baby.
I think the Fairlane just did her final drive.
I know.
I think.
Shit, I should have done shed skins or something.
No shed skids. I think she's officially done. Rest in peace. Have I told you how much I hate doing compressors on a Ford? Because I had to do this on my Ute. And it's an absolute prick of a job.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks like a prick of a job. Your face is very red.
Why do you leave me with all the...
Because when you got to have that doof doof when you're going fast. Should we take the sub out for drag challenge or leave it in?
Leave it in! Actually, more importantly, can we get a laptop so I can sit it on the passenger seat and then when we're just busting some boosts, we can have like danger and manifold.
Tuning. Because I'm a tuner.
Because that's the dream. Drag weekend is only like 4 weeks away.
Please don't remind me. The more I look at this thing, the more I'm just like, ugh.
We are fully committed now.
Oh, I don't need to get a wheel alignment. This thing does not go straight.
Oh, that's good. Ow.
What did you just drop as well? You alright?
Yep, still intact. You know when you like clip your nail and you think, is there
Oh,
is
yeah.
there gonna be a nail there when I look at it?
I'm being pretty lucky. I haven't lost a nail yet.
Oh, neither have I. Daniel, on the other hand.
Daniel.
Daniel, how many nails have you lost? One. Only one? This is annoying because I really didn't want to drop the fluid.
Do we have to move it? Oh, we do.
We could take the water pump off and the alternator.
There's only 2 lines we've got to undo.
Yeah, it's just the leaking of the fluid that I hate. Yeah, it's gonna have to come off. We'll take this off from here and we'll just
Let it drain.
do it later. We'll let it drain overnight or something because it's gonna just keep pouring out.
Yeah, alright, we'll do that last.
Alright, let's go up. Does it make you sad? But does it also make you happy that you're gonna have a better engine?
If it starts.
Well, think positive. Of course it's gonna start.
Yeah. I wish we had more time and I could like clean the engine bay, tuck the wiring, hide it all, you know, but oh well.
There's no challenge in that.
Unbolted from the auto, which there's no chance of getting it.
It's one of those days, huh?
Yeah, the motivation level is down.
We had a little bit of a big night last night.
We had a big night last night.
So today is just a pure strip down day where we don't have to think too much.
Yeah, we'll just get the motor out. I might just give it a clean, and then you know, you can just do whatever.
We'll have this out in a couple of hours, I reckon.
Yeah, probably less than a couple of hours. We just literally just
That motor looking thing needs to go.
These 4 bolts.
Needs to come out.
These 4 bolts. That bolt the.
That sums it up. Alright. Time to turn some spanners.
Yeah, let's do it.
So Nath, how good is it trying to get to that 1 bolt for that starter motor?
Oh, it's so easy. You know, I'm freaking there. It's just, I can't guide it on. Yes, got it. Ow.
If that drops off, we're about to see heartbreak in its purest form.
You ready to hear a starter drop?
Oh, you reckon?
What?
I'm just laughing if you had undone that bolt and it just drops. Smart ass.
I'll stand under here with me.
No.
That's as much as it's gonna go. Yeah, easy, plenty.
Perfect.
Heaps of room. Yeah, easy, plenty. Yeah, heaps, yeah. Yeah. Yo, dog.
How'd you like extensions?
Like extensions. Alright. What size is it? I think I'm on the right now.
Oh! Did that slip or did it crack?
I don't know.
We finally got the top bolts off. Which realistically, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
It's just a bit tricky. Now we take these side ones out and we should be free.
I like that.
Hey, you want to know an interesting fact? You know duck, you know when you say it's duck and it always says like, it goes, oh it's duck.
Yeah.
What duck are you thinking of? Do you always think of the quack quack?
Yeah.
It's not.
What is
Duck
it?
is ducked. Mind blown.
I ducked up. Oh my god.
See? This whole time you thought it was the quack quack, didn't you?
Oh, wow.
I thought that too. That blew my mind when I found that out.
Well, there you go.
Anyway, we're ready to go. That jumper though. What's going on, Matty boy?
Not much, mate. Oh, I just had a big night out at Bucks, you know. Oh, it's a pretty big night. Like you guys, explain how your night went last night.
I think that says it all. Alright, I reckon we need to get this engine out and then we need to go get a kebab.
Yeah, I'm down for a kebab. Are you really kebab? I'm always like a HSP boy.
Oh, when I say kebab, it's like HSP or kebab, but it's usually always going to be HSP.
Yeah, usually.
Yeah.
What about you, Michael?
I like kebab because I like the I like having a little bit of salad in there because it makes me feel like it's a bit healthier.
I honestly, I actually could go kebab. Yeah. I don't know. But when I get there, I'll probably just be like, can you give me a HSP?
Yeah, got it. Ow.
Still to the chin.
This is why I love V8.
Oh, there's no difference.
There is a massive difference. No, I need chips.
Yeah. HSP.
Yeah, HSP has chips, bro.
I just want some.
Get on it. Or get chips in your kebab, mate.
Yeah, I do.
They do that?
Yeah. You just gotta ask for it,
I
bro.
feel like it would make the kebab so much more girthier though.
It does.
Like maybe a bit too girthy.
Right. Looking good. Yes. Real good.
Need a wet one.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, these are a monster motor, eh? That's not going to come out.
How hard did you get that radiator out?
2 bolts, just 2 at the top. Careful with your parts.
Alright.
Okay, I reckon we can get this out now.
Yep. Is that balance they're gonna miss?
Yeah, nope. Nah, tick.
Oh god, it's so close.
Please explain what you've done here, Michael.
We're gonna make up a hack auto. We're gonna make up a hack leveler here.
What's going on though?
So we're having issues with the back of the engine being too low when trying to pull it out. So I've never done this before, but we'll see what happens.
Because you're too cheap to buy a leveler, right?
Not so much cheap, just haven't got around to getting there yet.
Too lazy.
Too busy building other people's fairy bread stuff. There you go.
Very bread.
She's gonna work, Nathan.
It's like a sausage down a fruit and hallway. I sound like a bloody bogan.
Darn tootin'. Look at that. Who needs fancy levelers when all you need is a bit of hack shop ingenuity? Hashtag sketchy. Mate, that is coming out dead level now.
Far out. That is a close fit. Like, look at that. You've got 10 mil to that, and
And then you've got 10 mil at the front there.
I'm just going to say it was typical Ford. Don't drop it now. Whee! She's officially out. Is that how it sounds?
Nah.
Wait, through here.
That's exactly the noise it
Made was
Time to reminisce.
I reckon we drop this onto the trolley and get ourselves a kebab, what do you reckon?
Yep, done. Let's do it.
What time is it, Nathan?
8:30. It's kebab time.
Kebab time in the kebab chariot.
In the kebab chat, Siri just went on.
excited, Matty.
Oh mate, I'm like revved up for this. What'd you get, mate?
I went just with the traditional kebab chariot.
Kebab hunter.
Look at him go, he's just into it. This is exactly what I need.
Still got a lot to do tomorrow though.
We have to basically have the engine ready to go, except for the head studs. Have everything swapped over on the engine
Yeah.
and ready to go.
Unfortunately, I was a tight ass and didn't buy head studs.
Yeah.
I just bought head bolts. And it bit me in the ass.
Now we're behind time.
Yeah, because ideally we wanted to have the engine in tomorrow
Yeah.
and sorted. So at least maybe we could spend this next week tuning and getting it ready, but we got to hopefully get the head bolts in after work, the engine in after work.
Yeah.
Because this weekend I'd like to have the engine in and running, like next weekend.
Oh,
So
we can
next
have
7
that
days.
in and running if we have it all bolted together. Like, you've seen it. It's just a couple of plugs, heater hoses, fuel lines.
And
that's it.
technically you're 4 hands down because Daniel does nothing and I'm off to New Zealand for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a push, but we'll get it. My biggest concern is I just hope the engine starts and doesn't blow up.
Same.
Because think about it, I don't know what the course is yet. They'll tell you the course on the day, but it's going to be something like 500 Ks.
300.
300?
It's a 300k drive.
Really?
Yeah.
And then it's going to be another 300 the next day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, diesel soot gets the.
So anyway, I think what you do is get your run out fast, like be front of the line. We'll be ready anyway. Get it one and then almost done, but I'd really like to run 2 runs.
I want to do 2 because my first one is going to be shit.
Mate, how many times have you stalled it up at the lights? I mean, not stalled it up at the
In
lights.
Mexico, you mean?
In Mexico, how many times have you stalled it up and like dragged someone?
All the time. But it's a little bit different because you got your two stages.
First stage is your favourite stage, mate. It's the burnout stage.
No. So you've got two yellow lights.
Yeah.
Actually, no. You're racing against yourself. You don't have to go against anyone.
All you have to do, I'm pretty certain what
You
happens.
just have to stage, and then when it drops, you can go whenever you
Yeah,
want.
so you get it on boost at the line. So yeah, get up to your stage. The next person might take off before you.
Yeah.
You get it on
Yeah.
boost. As long as you leave the line before they finish. So
Yeah,
you
of
can sit
course.
there and boost all day long.
Yeah.
Just if they're not at the end,
Yeah.
and if they don't finish, then yeah, you get boosted to your heart's content.
Yeah. No, it'll be alright. I think it'll be right.
I reckon, we go for 2 passes.
On the first day, yeah.
Yeah, and then
Because we need to see how consistent the car is, because what we're doing is DYO. The car has to be consistent and run a consecutive time. Not that we're there to win anything.
No, we're just there to actually make it
Mate,
through.
we're there to get a sticker at the end that says we've completed drag challenge.
Yeah.
That's going to be a challenge enough for us just
To
to
be
actually
honest, I
get
just
through.
want drag stickers on the car. You know, the DYO sticker. And
Oh yeah, that'll be sick.
No, yeah, I reckon we try and get maybe 2 done on the first day.
yeah.
Even the second day, even we just get 1 done just for the safety.
Yeah, and do the drive.
Just do the drive, get it
Yeah.
over and done with.
Yeah,
And then the last
Sunday,
day, send it.
just keep doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, and see how long she lasts.
Yeah. Yeah.
So get to the end and then wind it up.
22 pounds.
20, yeah, well, it's not going to be £22 anymore. It's going to be 9. Or hey, are
It
you?
already is 9.
Yeah.
Bro, my TD42 runs more boost than yours.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but that's
Yeah,
because
but petrol, diesel is different. Yeah, look, they do. Let's be
Let
honest.
me just win something here. Let
Yeah.
me win something.
All right, new plan. We're taking the TD to drag challenge.
The last day we're winding it up to 42 pounds.
42 pound. We're gonna send a rod through the block.
200 views and we'll get it.
Everything all right?
Dem
Yeah.
jam donuts.
Everything's perfect.
Perfect. Was it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Looks delicious.
Oh, what the hell? Why is it not me? Oh.
Keen to fill it with oil and fire it. I reckon it's going to fire straight up.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon a little bit of. That's it. It's a big turbo for what it is. Oh shit, Michelle, what did you take that off?
Oh, that's just an earth. Doesn't matter where it goes. I didn't take it off either.
Oh, it was on maybe the. It would have been on the.